Let's see how to sync iPad and iPhone text messages. In the first step, open Settings. Next, tap on your Apple ID shown at the top. After that, choose iCloud. In the next step, go to iCloud. Next, scroll and select Messages. Then enable Messages. In the next step, open Settings. Later, tap Messages. After that, choose Text Message Forwarding. In the next step, open Text Message Forwarding. Now, switch on the device you wish to sync. Then approve the prompt when asked. In the next step, open Settings. Now tap Messages. After that, enable iMessage. You are good to go.